Over in Thailand, music was used to send a powerful message from a UN summit to the world. It was a call to action for millions of stateless children who still lack something as basic as a birth certificate. Our Jovi Francisco has this special report.
The birthday song was heard inside a meeting room of the United Nations Conference Center in Bangkok, Thailand. A room filled with youngsters whose presence in a global conference seemed peculiar. They are kids from all over the world who are here to show their support for policymakers, tasked to remedy problems that are being faced by persons without legal documentation. Some of the children present are stateless because their families were displaced because of conflicts. They were singing happy birthday to underscore the importance of having their date of birth registered.
For me po, nakakalungkot na wala po silang proper identification and they don't have the, especially birth certificate. Kasi during our dialogue with them, meron po mga stateless na mga bata. So some of them cannot avail the proper education and healthcare na guaranteed po as libre sa mga mamamayan.
This is one issue being addressed by the delegates of the Third Ministerial Conference on Civil Registration and Vital Statistics in Asia and the Pacific. And in a landmark decision, governments commit to ensure that all births are registered and all deaths are recorded by 2030. Presently, 1 in 6 children under 5 are without birth registration, and 1 in 3 deaths were not legally certified. And a lot of countries need to catch up to comply with the 2030 commitments so that by that time, every person in the world will have legal identity and ensured of services they deserve. The new deadline gives governments 5 years to fill the gap. The Philippines served as one of the vice chairs of the conference. Yusek Claire Dennis Mapa led the Philippine delegation, and he was assigned to read the landmark declaration during this afternoon session. He shared with us what the country is doing to beat the deadline.
Ang target kasi natin doon, 99.5% of individuals sa bansa, for example, sa atin sa Pilipinas, 99.5% of Filipinos dapat may birth registration. Medyo papunta na sana tayo doon kasi wala, nagkaroon tayo ng COVID. So medyo mayroon tayong slowdown sa mga targets.
Reporting from the United Nations Conference Center here in Bangkok, Thailand, Jovi Francisco, we are One News.